Sawhorses are great when you're cutting plywood or lumber, but if you use them for a finished piece, to support a finished piece like a door, a tabletop, or anything like that, you could scratch up the workpiece. So to prevent that from happening, all you need is a strip of carpet. This is a remnant carpet that I cut about 5 inches wide and a little longer than the rail on the sawhorse itself. This sawhorse happens to have notches in it to hold the 2x4 support, but I'm not going to be using them for a while, so I'm just going to go right over those. If I need to, I can always come back and cut out the carpeting. But you essentially just put the carpeting on there, center it on the top of the sawhorse, press it down to conform to the top of the sawhorse, then attach it with a few staples and staple it on the side. That's important. You want to staple it on the top because if the staples work loose, they might scratch up your workpiece. So with it stapled along both sides, you have a nice cushioned surface that'll protect your work.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Type Bond, the pro's advantage.